Hello, I'm Sarah Hiers, and today we're going to talk about dirt. Now you may be wondering, what's so important about dirt? I mean, it is everywhere. But that's exactly why we need to start thinking about it, because we don't. And without dirt, or more specifically agricultural soil, our world could be in big trouble. Before we get into why soil is so important, let's first understand what exactly soil is. Soil is made up of weathered rock and dead organic materials, which is divided into three types of particles: sand, silt, and clay. Sand are the largest particles, while clay are the smallest. Proportions of these particles determine what type of soil texture the soil is. There are many different classifications, but the best soil for farming is loam: 40% sand, 40% silt, and 20% clay. It has the best balance between holding water and letting water drain through it, which is why it's so good. Soil is also broken down into how it naturally layers, the O, A, E, B, and C soil horizons. The two most important layers for agriculture are the O and A horizons. The O horizon is the first layer and is made up of decomposing plant matter called detritus. All the nutrients in the soil come from this layer. Next is the A horizon, also called topsoil. Inside of both of these layers are entire ecosystems of bacteria and microorganisms that help transform the organic matter into nutrients for the plants. They are the most prone to being eroded, but due to the high organic material and bacteria, they create healthy, nutrient-rich soil. Now, imagine this piece of paper as Earth. This is the amount of land we have. If you split it in half, this is how much livable land we have. We're not done though. Split it into quarters, and this is how much soil that could be able to grow plants. Take these away because the land is too rocky or too wet or we need it for cities, and this is how much land we have to grow all the crops for all humans on Earth. Compare it to the entire Earth and you start to get an idea of why soil is so important. If scientists can study soil and figure out how conservation affects the world, people will be more willing to protect soil. Also, we could potentially increase agricultural production, reducing starvation, but also pollutants, since agriculture is one of the biggest consumers of fossil fuels. The reasons for studying soil and learning more about it go beyond Earth, though. With eyes looking towards space, questions start to arise about colonizing other planets. The soil and environments on these planets, for example Mars, are obviously very different from Earth and have very different soil. By understanding soil better, we could potentially change the soil on these planets to support plant life. The entire world is supported by the thin layer of soil beneath our feet. Learning more about it could not only improve human life, but the environment as well, and also help with space colonization in the future. So grab a shovel. Let's get studying.